The sea is quiet today, almost as if it is waiting for something that will never return.
Why did the ocean break up with the shore? Because it just needed some space to be itself and find its own way through the tide.
Do you think the boat is still salvageable from this distance?
It looks pretty damaged, but let us get closer and see if he needs any help.
Here, please have some water and something to eat.
We are here to help you, so please take your time and rest now.
Why did the ocean break up with the beach? Because the beach was just too salty for the tide to handle all of that drama.